Hello everyone, let's continue chapter 17 Stars and the Solar System. So, today we are going to start with the new planet that is the Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is also called the blue planet because it appears blue green from the space due to the reflection of light from water and its landmass. Earth is the only planet of the solar system that has life on it. This is because of some special environmental condition. So let's know what are the environmental conditions. First is that the distance of the Earth from the Sun is such that it receives optimum amount of heat and light from the Sun. Next is the Earth has a protective covering of atmosphere around it, which protects it from many high energy radiations coming from the Sun. The atmosphere of the Earth has oxygen gas, which is essential for life to exist. The atmosphere of the Earth helps in maintaining moderate temperature range on the Earth. Next, the gravity on the Earth is optimum, that holds the water in the ocean and the atmosphere on the surface and prevents them from escaping. So, the appropriate amount of heat, light, gravity, atmosphere, oxygen and water, all factors combine their goodness together. That makes it possible to sustain life on this planet. The Earth has only one natural satellite called the Moon. It takes Earth about 365.25 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation about its axis. The tilt of the Earth's axis is responsible for the change of season on the Earth. So the right temperature range, the presence of water, suitable atmosphere and a blanket of ozone support life on Earth. Next planet is Mars, the red planet. Mars is the second nearest planet to the Earth and also the first planet outside the orbit of the Earth. The Mars is often called the red planet due to the red or pink appearance of its rocks, soil and sky. The atmosphere of the Mars contains mainly carbon dioxide and small quantities of nitrogen and argon. It has a thin atmosphere with occasional dust storms. Mars has two natural satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos. The average temperature on Mars varies from minus 63 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. There are so far no traces of life on this planet. The space scientists are looking forward for the possibilities of life on the Mars. Few countries like the US and China have sent space probes to Mars to find more about its composition and atmosphere. Next planet is Jupiter, the largest planet, or we can say the planet next to Mars is Jupiter. It is the largest planet of our solar system. It is easily seen from the Earth because it appears quite bright in the sky. Its volume is approximately 1400 times and mass is about 318 times of the Earth. It has a gaseous composition having a mixture of hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia. It has many faint rings around it. It is at a large distance from the Sun, so it radiates out double the amount of heat it receives from the Sun. Its temperature always remains in the negative range, that is minus 124 degrees Celsius to minus 13 degrees Celsius. Jupiter has been so far detected with 63 moons, satellites which revolve around it. But now, when you see the update, you will see that the moons of Jupiter have increased to about 79 moons. The size of the Jupiter as compared to Earth is so large that about 1300 Earths can be set into it.